Heaviness.
Good. Now open automation view here in the piano roll. And for note velocity, change that to pitch bend.
Okay.
Feel heaviness.
Yeah, I can't.
Yeah.
Heaviness.
Because
Feel heaviness.
that's what I want to do.
Feel heaviness.
That's so crazy.
Nice one.
Okay, hold on. I just want to try this.
Feel heaviness in your bones.
Woo!
Feel heaviness in your bones.
Oh my God, it's wicked. It's so smooth.
Feel heaviness in your bones.
Okay, cool. All right. That's what I wanted to be able to do is be able to put words on the sampler so that I can use the thingy.